How to fix YouTube Shorts upload failed error on mobile. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you how you can fix YouTube Shorts upload failed error on your mobile device. So before we begin, if you're new here, just head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for whenever we release a new video. Now let's jump right in. So the first thing that you will need to do is make sure you're connected to the internet. Swipe down from the top and check if your Wi-Fi is stable and good. If not, you can just switch to your mobile data as well. So after you've done all of that, you can then just head over to your YouTube, check if the problem is fixed. And if it's not, you can then head over back, go to your settings, go to apps, go to YouTube, then head over to storage and cache. Then finally tap on clear cache. Doing this will remove any temporary cached files which could be corrupted and causing the issue. What you can do also is you can head over to your Google Play Store, search for YouTube, and after you find him, if you see an update button available, tap on update to update the app. Doing those should fix your problem, and let me know if this helped. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and take care.